Fáilsigidín ceacht seo, welcome to this lesson. This is a lesson on how to say granny and granddad or grandmother and grandfather in Irish. Gaeilge, a really popular question that I get asked a lot. So hopefully you can add these into your home life and call granny and granddad by their Irish titles. So let's start with grandmother and granny. So grandmother is obviously our longer, more formal one, and granny our informal one. So Seanmháthair or Seanmháthair. Now this MH is pronounced like a V in Munster, like a W elsewhere. You can type this into aber.ie or the dictionary changlin.ie and you can hear it being pronounced in the different dialects. But Sean, S-E-N, means old, and Mháthair without the H is mother. So it's basically old mother, grandmother. Seanmháthair or Seanmháthair. I have the V sound here, Seanmháthair or Seanmháthair with a W. So Sean, meaning old, adds the H here in mother and it becomes Seanmháthair or Seanmháthair. Now granny is Mamó, 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 Mamó. Grandma or granny, so you're informal, Mamó. So similarly with grandfather and granddad, we have Seanathair, Seanathair, Seanathair. Athair is father and Sean is old, so it's old father, Seanathair. Grandfather, Seanathair. And then informal granddad, Daideo. Daideo is granddad. Daideo, 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 or Mamó. Seanathair or Seanmháthair or Seanmháthair. Again, you can type this into aber.ie. You can choose Ulster, Connacht or the Munster dialect and you can hear it being spoken by a native speaker, or you can type them into the dictionary changlin.ie or folklore.ie and you'll be able to hear them being pronounced there as well. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson. Seanmháthair, thank you so much. Check out our other lessons in this series and also check down below for our waitlist for Irish for Complete Beginner course that's starting really soon, launching to the waitlist first. Get a really good deal if you're on the waitlist. And if you're watching this later on YouTube, you can check that out. It could be live right now, so check down below in the description. Seanmháthair, thank you so much again. Slán go fóill, bye for now. Agus feicimé an teachtain seo. See you next week.